Fiji? 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 Yeah, Fiji. Let's go.
Wa noho tēnei rerenga kōrero hei tino tohu mō Tihema Johnson ki ngā pai pāpāho pāpori o Aotearoa.
So it was really for the business, gem cuisine, just to get that exposure. And then when I did the first video, I think it was cooking with $10. And when I did that, I posted it, went to sleep, woke up the next day. I had 10,000 followers overnight. That video had like over 50,000 views. And I looked at it like, oh, what? No, that can't be right. Like, what? And I refreshed it. Sure enough, it was happening.
I tēnei wā, kua nui ake te toko maha tāngata e whai ana i ana whārangi ki te kotahirau mano tāngata.
When I hit my first 1 million views in a video, I thought, oh shit, I made it. I thought, oh man, this is cool. But then learning all of the stuff behind it, like about content monetization and subscriptions and all that sort of thing, it's good to be able to be making like a profit from it, so then I can't just keep doing the videos.
I te awatea ko Johnson te kaitunu matua ki te wānanga o Aotearoa.
He pai ngā kai konei, he oranga he mea aki I au, ki te hara mai ki te wānanga.
Ai ngā pōko ia e whakamahere ana e waihanga ana hoki I ana tata.
Or like editing, planning, one day you're filming, another day I'll film maybe 3 to 4 videos in one day, and then I can just do other little videos around as it's coming to the weekend, because sometimes I'm not in the kitchen or I'm busy with work and other things. So yeah, have that planned, which I pretty much do, because it took a while to get the hang of it. So I was doing one video, editing, making, going to the supermarket, all that in one day for one video, and then I'm like, oh, I got to do that again and again and again. So yeah, but it was all learning.
Ko ngā karere ka tai mai I ngā whānau puta noa I Aotearoa te tino take e tonu ai ia ki ēnei mahi.
It was this mother, instead of being depressed in what she's putting in her trolley of what she's able to afford, when she didn't have to put packets of noodles and all this other processed stuff in her trolley, and she's filling it with fresh vegetables, cheap meat. She was just real liberated by that, and that her kids were able to have something nutritious but still not break the bank. And when she messaged that, it was just it was a real heartfelt, like, warming moment for me.
He ihu one a Tihema Johnson hei kai tunu, hei kai pakihi, hei kai hanga ata pāpāho pāpori hoki. Me tana aronga ka tipu tonu a Fiji, kia nui ake ngā whānau ka whai wāhi atu ki ngā kai hauora, ngā kai utu iti hoki e whakaako nāna e ia. Rāhia Timutimu, Taioro.